We're still looking at a turbulent time tonight, and the weather department as well, as we've got strong and gusty winds pushing through. It's already been sort of a chaotic day with gusts between 50 and nearly 60 miles an hour, specifically across the south coast and Cape Cod. What you see today, what you've seen so far today, we're likely to get another round tonight as well. Through Sandwich, through Plymouth, through Falmouth, all with rainfall more than an inch. Some of this on the order of 2 inches since midnight. So earlier this morning, again, this is halftime. We've still got a whole nother half of the game to go with another round of showers pushing in right now. As clouds continue to pour on through, the next 12 hours will prove very difficult, especially in the temperature department. We'll go from the mid-50s down to the 30s in less than 12 hours time. And here's how it will happen. Our winds out of the south and southwest ahead of our cold front, still bringing in breezes 40, 45, maybe even 50 miles an hour with some of the warmer air. As that front settles in, now the direction has shifted. It's coming from the west and northwest, which is a cooler wind direction for sure, and drier. That is what's going to shut off our rainfall. At 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, the showers are already done, but it will still be a breezy Thursday and chilly at that. The rainfall is still overhead right now from Boston and the North Shore and across the south coast, the Cape Cod region and the islands too. Through about midnight tonight, we're still in and out of brief gusty winds and also downpours at times. Here's 9 o'clock as this band stretches from Lawrence and clears the south coast, goes through the Long Island Sound. That's the front. Behind it, there's a little bit of remnant moisture such that as that cold air rapidly pushes in, there's a brief changeover into snow. I don't think we have a lot of accumulations tonight with snowfall just because our temperatures are above 32 degrees for a majority of the day, and the road surface temperatures should also be above that too. Early tomorrow morning, as this thing starts to wind on down, we picked up another quarter of an inch of rainfall from Haverhill and across the North Shore, in Lynn and Danvers and Peabody too. Heaviest amounts are likely across the south coast and on Cape Cod and the islands too, with a nearly half an inch of rainfall. As that comes to a close, here comes the cold. Tomorrow morning, you will need the winter coat. Our air temperatures are right around 24 to 25 degrees, but with those strong and biting winds, a wind chill of about 10 to maybe 12 degrees greets you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we're right around 34 for a high. Remember, it's a breezy day. I still think we'll likely see isolated pockets of power outages, but nothing widespread. By Friday, the cold is a thing of the past. We're back into the 40s, so that is still above the norm with our winds out of the south and west at about 12 miles an hour. That's not the last chance of rainfall that we've got going into the weekend. There's a very weak system overhead Saturday and Sunday, and I think it should stay to the south, but it's in just close enough proximity that we do get clouds and light energy and light showers throughout the weekend in spots specifically across Cape Cod and on Martha's Vineyard. Here's a closer check at the 10-day forecast. Look at 53. We're back to that on Saturday and Sunday. Mid to upper 50s next Tuesday and next Wednesday before our next disturbance rides on through Wednesday and Thursday. But JC and Corey, ultimately, this is a very warm forecast for the first few days of March.